All right, so now so far we have only created the backend application, and so now we need to create the front end part of it. All right, so let's go to our clients folder, open it in labs. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is in our main JS, why don't we add the routes? Okay, so these are all require auth, so we can come here. Why don't we clone this, and we will have the first one, which is forgot password, and the second one will be reset password, and it is also going to take the token. Now the first component will be forgot password, very simple. We'll name it forgot password, and this is going to be reset password. So obviously this is reset password, nothing special. Now obviously we have mentioned forgot password here, so we need to create those two components, right? So they are going to be inside pages src pages. So the first one will be forgot password dot view, and the second one, oops, sorry, will be src pages reset password dot view. Okay, and the minimum what we need to do is have the template here, script here, have div. Okay, and similarly, all right, so this is done, and now we can go to our front end application. Okay, password, forgot password is defined but is not defined, so I think we haven't imported them. I was too keen to load the pages. Sorry about that. So forgot password, this and this, reset password. All right, so we have the routes. Obviously we need to have the login route with that link, so quickly come over here, router link. Okay, and path is going to be name forgot password. I think that's how it was. Something is wrong here, let me check. Yes, I think it's 2 equals, and this entire thing is like this. Router link is correct. It is router link and not route link. Should work. Yeah. Now we need to take some bit of template from this component. So why don't we copy this part section to section? Okay, forgot password. Oops. Paste it here. We need the button, and we don't need this password field here. Okay, and so with this, let us see, handle forgot password submit. Okay, we need this method. Email address, the model should be email, nothing else. So we need a data. Okay, that is also done. And yeah, so this is one thing where I had some wrong CSS styling, so I'll fix that later. But the basic thing is I have done it on the wrapper, this top margin. So in this case I will use this login wrapper, and I think it's a class, not ID. So yeah. Oh, what happened? Methods should have that comma. And yeah. All right. So we have the email address field. We need to make some changes. Send email, and this should be forgot password. All right. So this is kind of done. We need to handle the submit functionality, obviously. Um, so with this done, let's first add the URLs in our config. Okay. So export constant. One will be forgot password, which is going to be API domain plus it's going to be API slash forgot password. Yeah, it will not have that v1 thing. And this is the reset password config.js, and in forgot password, obviously we will need to import that. So we are in pages, we go one step and do config. Okay, and yeah, so in here where post data is equal to an object where email will be this dot email, and URL will be, for now let's hard code this. What is it? Right, so it's reset password. Okay, but yeah, that's something I will add. So yeah, this is going to be my URL, and then I will do dollar this dollar http post. I'll post on the forgot password URL. Oh, okay, and I'll send the post data, then response, catch, response. In catch, let's just simply do window.alert response.body.data. Okay, and when we have a success, we will console log, obviously the response. Why don't we do that here as well? And this dot dollar router dot push home. So we'll go back to the home page. Now quickly I'll go into my Laravel application, go to env. Let me quickly check my mail settings. Nothing is here. So in config, uh, mail.php, right? Mail.php, my default driver is going to be smtp. No, it will be Laravel log file. Just clear it out and let's see what happens. So yeah, this is kind of done. I'm sending the request and it should work then. Let me refresh. I'm using my Gmail account, so internal server error. That's strange. What is the error? Log file token not found. Alright. So in here, where did it find that? But user controller line number 32. Ah, it habits. So clear this out and check once again. Clear, clear, send, and we should have the email here, right? So this there is an extra slash here which we need to fix. This is the URL, right? So where is our variable? We do this, and this is working. Now where is our mail? This is the URL which should work, right? So this is our token. Okay, so let's focus on our next component, which is the reset password.